we are anticipating the influx of garbage from the festivities. We are a little behind in that area, not only in KSAMC, but right across Jamaica. We will be working right back to New Year's with the additional support of staff, resources, to keep the town centers, the market districts, and Jamaica clean, as a whole clean. We are asking for the support of residents alike and business persons. Be mindful of how you manage your garbage, especially now. Containerize your garbage, because when you don't, it creates inefficiencies in our operations. So it doesn't matter how many units we put out on the streets to collect, there would be inefficiencies if one truck would be stuck at one area for 2 hours and the men have to be shoveling up, raking up, and bagging. When you compare that level of effort to picking up of even 20 bags at one location and just dumping in the truck, it's a significant difference in the time that they would have spent in the area. So while we do our part, we are asking for the residents and the business district to work along with us so that we can achieve the clean Jamaica that we know that we can have and exist in.